Hey y'all, Jesse Kalen coming at you with your weekly Oracle card reading forecast for the week of June 11th in 2018. If you would like a personal reading or a Reiki Healing session with me, please read all of the instructions down below, but you buy my time at $1 a minute. You send me an email regarding information, which ones will be down below, and then we will get you in line for a reading and or scheduled a Reiki session. Energy exchange donations are always and infinitely grateful. Thank you so very much for anyone who decides to contribute to the channel in such way. Suggested $7.77. And if you would like to be a monthly supporter on Patreon, there is a symbiotic giving and receiving of Reiki for your money contribution, energy for energy. And of course, if you would like to join me on Facebook or Instagram for daily card pulls, and as well as a chance to win a personal reading, just not like a real one, but just like a picture of a card and a written message. That happens over Facebook and Instagram from time to time. And always keep your eye peeled. I will be popping up every once and again for live reading sessions where you can get an opportunity for a live reading event or a live personal reading, or it's a really great time to ask questions about the collective, about global consciousness, that kind of thing. Whew. All right, business done away with. I will see y'all for your divine message. Hello, Aquarius. All right, so I think I've been using the spread for your energy for a little bit, but unless I'm wrong. Fairy Tarot by Doreen Virtue and Rodley Valentine. So let's see what's going on for this week for those drawn to this message. Ooh. Interesting. Very nice. Y'all are in education mode on how to get what it is that you want, all right? You have unity for your overall tone. Do the right thing for the right reason. Compare traditional versus new approaches to see which works for you. A spiritually minded community. But what you are getting in unity with is the flow of the universe to such a degree that life becomes easy. Right? You also may find that bonds are easier for you. Communication within friendships or drawing in romantic partners. I think June 11th is going to be like everyone's going to experience a kind of level up in terms of being in the flow of the universe. It's just what I'm feeling. So you're the second reading I've done so far. So the right thing for the right reason, unity, listening to yourself, doing that soul speak, making decisions through the power of your own self, not looking to others for validation or direction, derivative of your own self, in communion with spirit. That's that unity we're talking about, because when you are in union with yourself, in all versions of ourselves, how many versions of our own self do we have? Infinite, kind of the way God is infinite. All right, so with this unity, you get in touch with yourself. Very, 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 very much so. And when you do that, in the beginning of the week, 8 of summer, the desire for a more meaningful life, realizing it's time to move on, choosing to make major life changes, shedding of the self, shedding of old ways, knowing instinctually that in order to get to what you want or receive what you want, or you just need to make room for what you want. Every beginning has an ending. Every hello has a goodbye of some sort, you know, like this ego only has so much space for experience. So and that's what the crane bag is about. God, I miss my mermaid deck so much. But the crane bag in the mermaid lore of like, we only have so much room. So clutter and declutter. What do you want and what do you not want? You know, we all have to make a sacrifice in that way. So you'll be experiencing that in the beginning of the week or just throughout the week. Take it as you will. Some will apply with the division of time. Others won't, and that's okay. Take the message as it resonates. Princess of Autumn. Studious, responsible, cheerful, and mischievous. Happy news about your career, promotions, or scholarships. Well thought out plans that go perfectly, needing a little push to go along. So you have a very good, solid, intellectual foundation for what it is you want. You just need your lower frequencies to catch up with it. Don't live so much in the mind. Allow yourself and the universe and your circumstances. A lot of y'all are going to be in such a frequency where you wouldn't be able to elect this for yourself. You're not channeling your energy. You're not controlling your emotions. So your angels in the matrix and your higher self have to change the world for you to get you to this emotional state, to get you to this frequency. So, just take that as you will. Some of you will be able to just naturally feel it and go like, okay, I need to apply this down here. Well thought out plans that go expected. That little push is already in your mind, and it's like, yes, and I understand, and I'll take this pill of life right now and I'll just get through it. And some of you are going to have a bit of a rude awakening, a tougher lesson, just learning the hard way a little bit, but that's only because of your own mental blocks. You rely on intellectualism too much. It can, too much of anything ain't good for you. So just keep that in mind. And because the Princess of Autumn, the Page of Autumn, the Page of Pentacles energy, it's very naive. It's very naive. It's very new. It's very childlike, almost very innocent in that way. And that can, work both ways. If you're innocent in the battlefield, and everybody needs a little bit of training before the big game, right? So this is also speaking of fiscal. So this learning of what you need to do, I'm sensing like a preparation aspect to become or be ready for additional responsibility or a promotion or what, just being able and ready to do the work for the reward. Because then you have King of Autumn, right? King of Pentacles at the end of your week. Be assertive when it comes to what you know is right. Everything going your way, a good person or company to work for. It is this energy solidified, solidified in such a way because it's the divine masculine ruling energy within the material fiscal area. So there is, this is working the divine masculine within us all, working that decision-making, shortest point from point A to point B, discipline, right? Like it's that energy at the end of the week, and it's so self-assured, and it's just blasting through the shortcut. You're making the shortcut for yourself on an energetic level for it to show itself in material form. It all starts with this internal state of energy, this internal state of consciousness. And by the end of the week, you may find yourself in a different frequency, making different decisions, feeling differently about the world, and it's a really, really good thing. Awesome. There it is. Thank you so much for being here. I love you for loving yourself. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon.